This is Diecast Race Wars ZAMAC Tournament H-1. Let's look at today's competitors. First up we have Nero's 62 custom diecast in the Plymouth Duster Thruster and Hot Wheel Racer Mike in the Chevy Camaro concept. The rules. The first car to win 3 races wins the spot in the semi-finals.
Race 1. Winner, Hot Wheel Racer Mike and the mighty Chevy Camaro concept. Replay.
It's the Duster Thruster down the back going into turn 1 that has the lead. Hits the wall here and he just can't recover by the looks of it. Slides, bam, he's gone. And Hot Wheel Racer Mike just says, get out of my way mate, I see the finish line and I'm taking the first win in today's heat. Well, Hot Wheel Racer Mike and the mighty Chevy Camaro concept gets the first win in today's Diecast Wars Heat 1.
Race 2. Well, it's the big D and F. Let's go to the replay.
Nero 62 on the Duster Thruster down the back has the lead. Nice line out of turn 1. The Camaro concept just can't catch him. And here comes Nero 62 and they both stack it on that corner. D and F, let's go again.
Race 3. Winner, Hot Wheel Racer Mike and the mighty Chevy Camaro. Let's go to the replay.
Check out the Chevy Camaro concept. Going into turn 1, he goes down low and he just sneaks past the Duster Thruster. The Duster Thruster can't handle him, he's gone. And here comes Hot Wheel Racer Mike down for his second win. Nice driving mate in the Chevy Camaro concept. Hot Wheel Racer Mike gets his second win in today's heat.
Race 4. Winner, Nero 62 custom diecast. Let's go to the replay.
Well, I've seen some crazy driving here on Mount Western Raceway, but check out the Duster Thruster. Check out this. Wham, he's gone. He's over. And he's back on his wheels. Unbelievable racing here on Mount Western Raceway. Goes up high, sees the finish line and says to Mike, check you later, buddy. I'm getting the first win for me in today's heat. Nero 62 gets a win in today's heat in the mighty Plymouth Duster Thruster. Some crazy driving there, mate, but you did it.
Race 5. Winner, Nero 62 custom diecast again in the Plymouth Duster Buster. Let's go to the replay.
I love this style of driving here on Mount Western Raceway. Look at these guys battling it out going into turn 1. The Plymouth hits the bottom. Clean line coming out of turn 1. The Camaro can't catch him from here. And here comes the Plymouth. Takes turn 2, slides around a bit. And the Camaro gives him a little kiss and says, okay mate, go for it. You get your second win today. Well, Nero 62 custom diecast gets his second win in the Plymouth Duster Thruster.
Race 6. Hot Wheel Racer Mike in the Chevy Camaro concept. Let's go to the replay.
Well, if I was a betting man, I would have thought the Duster Thruster had this all the way. Look at this coming down Mount Western Straight. He's miles in front, leaves the dust for the Camaro, hits the bottom and gone! Bam, wham, he's finished. And here comes Hot Wheel Racer Mike for his third win, and he takes out today's heat in Diecast Race Wars ZAMAC Tournament. Well, there you go. Hot Wheel Racer Mike gets his third win in the Chevy Camaro concept. You're through to the semi-finals. Well, that's a wrap for today's heats. Congratulations, Hot Wheel Racer Mike driving the Chevy Camaro concept. You are through to the semi-finals. And Nero's 62 Custom Diecast, we will see you in the race for 4th place. I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.